So these next 2 days will be a vlog. We are getting a new washing machine, so we have to get all this out, and we'll do that later on today. We have to take the trim off as well, like this. I think this, so that will be a bit of a project. And then tomorrow we get it. So yeah, it's not gonna be a long vlog, but it'll be a good enough vlog. Like, I don't care if it's like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour. It's my channel. Don't like my vlogs, don't watch them, plain and simple. So let's see what we're working with here. So we just have to get rid of this, all of this, and that's really it. And that will be on anyways. I'm just getting out of the shower, so we will continue this later.
3 hours later.
I can make an omelet about 3/4 of the way.
Having issues?
The next day.
Good morning, guys. I am fucking exhausted. We ate dinner way too late last night, which is fine, but oh my god, I'm so tired. I guess we can start our day soon. Got it?
Yeah.
2 hours later.
So, the brick came. They didn't even bring the new washer in to the house. They couldn't get the old washer out of the laundry room, and then the laundry room connects to the bathroom. So they said it was too big. So I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. Like, I really don't know. It's almost 3 o'clock and we haven't heard from our landlord. The landlord said about maybe 2 hours ago that she's waiting for the sales rep to call her. Like, this might have to be like a continuing video. I might have to like keep something. I don't even know what I was saying, but yeah, we've been waiting since maybe like almost 12:30, maybe 1 o'clock. So I'll keep you guys updated. This might be a long vlog. Like I said, it might have to continue into whatever other fucking shit we have to do. We might have to go to the laundromat because we have to clean. We have to do laundry. Like, I'm not doing laundry in the bathtub anymore. Like, I don't know. I'm just annoyed, and I'll just get back to you guys whenever she gets back to us and continue this. I don't know what else to fucking do, man. So we just heard from the landlord that they're not coming today. So I'm just, yeah, they're not coming today. So we don't get a washing machine today. That's lovely. So there's no point, like, even like continuing this vlog at all. I'm going to keep maybe like one part of the vlog onto my phone so that I can do like continuing or like previously and everything. So this vlog is going to be ended right now. I'm going to edit it, I'm going to post it, and then you'll see whenever we do the finishing shit for this will be posted as well, and I'll keep everyone updated and on the loop and everything. But for now, I'm gonna just go and take a shower and just relax. I'll do another vlog whenever we have updates and whenever we have a fucking washer.